Welcome to The Gift of Ilúvatar, where the past of Arda lives on. Gandalf is more than just a wise old wizard. He is a strategist, guide and guardian of Middle-earth. From shaping the Fellowship's journey to outmaneuvering Sauron, his wisdom turned the tide of history. But what made him Middle-earth's greatest guide and strategist? Let's dive in. Gandalf's wisdom wasn't just about knowing things, it was about understanding people, history and the future. Unlike Saruman, who became obsessed with power, Gandalf understood that true strength lies in unity. He resisted using force or domination, knowing that power corrupts. Instead of trying to defeat Sauron himself, he empowered others, guiding leaders like Aragorn, Theoden and Frodo to take action. While others underestimated the hobbits, Gandalf saw their hidden strength and placed his faith in them. His foresight allowed him to plant the seeds of victory long before the War of the Ring even began. When forming the Fellowship, Gandalf chose a diverse group, not just warriors but those with different strengths. Aragorn, the rightful king, Legolas and Gimli bridging the divide between elves and dwarves, Boromir, Gondor's champion, though flawed, the hobbits proving that even the smallest can change the world. But his strategy didn't stop there. He knew when to adapt. When Saruman blocked their way through the misty mountains, Gandalf led them through Moria, accepting risk for the greater goal. At Helm's Deep, he left at the right moment to bring reinforcements, turning the tide of battle. He didn't just lead, he let others grow into their roles, preparing them for what was to come. Gandalf's wisdom wasn't just in battle, it was in understanding sacrifice. He gave his life facing the Balrog, knowing the Fellowship needed to move forward without him. But his return as Gandalf the White wasn't just a resurrection, it symbolized his evolution into Middle-earth's true leader. With Saruman fallen, Gandalf became the key strategist, rallying Rohan, uniting Gondor, and keeping Sauron distracted while Frodo and Sam reached Mount Doom. He manipulated Sauron's paranoia, making him believe Aragorn had the ring. He used hope and courage as weapons, keeping morale high when all seemed lost. Gandalf wasn't the strongest warrior or the most powerful wizard. But through wisdom, patience and strategy, he shaped the fate of Middle-earth. He understood that the greatest leaders do not seek power, they uplift others. What do you think was Gandalf's greatest moment? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and join me for more Lord of the Rings deep dives.